Good morning, guys. I haven't done a car vlog in forever. This is weird, and I'm all rugged up because it's freezing cold in Melbourne. It is like icicles. I wanted to thank Jim again for this lovely present because I've been rocking it this entire traffic jam session. It's cheered me up. And I'm gonna see Damie later, so I'm excited about that. Because I love Damie. Hashtag Loony Loo. People are looking at me like I'm nuts. I love this. There's lots of motorbikes out today. And here comes another one. Just there he goes. Just through there. Any more? Anyone else? Okay. Hey guys, so Damie and I just bought this house together. It's really beautiful. I can't wait to christen.
With the dishes?
Hey, come on, woman. That's your job. I'm just a man. I'm in the kitchen. I don't belong here. I belong here in front of the TV and stuff. There's people looking at me vlogging. Anyway, it's been a hard day. I'm just gonna chill while my wife makes me some. What are you cooking for dinner, bitch? All these babies. I just swore in front of some babies.
I cooked you some rice.
I just swore in front of baby. Okay, I've got to stop. People are looking at me. I'm embarrassed. Damie, I'm embarrassed. Damie, where'd you go? Where'd you go, Damie? Where is she? Damie. Oh, kid's bed. Excuse me, guys. Just gonna take a shit. Just gonna take a little dump. Just gonna take a little dump. Turn your little nightlight on. Does it work? Oh, it's so pretty.
I'm afraid of the dark. Something điều ra. So mà đâu Shelly đó, something for that. Điều ra thôi ya. Hey, what's this?
You're in a banana leaf.
I like
It's called
bananas.
the lover bed. The lover. It's a lover bed. In a children's room.
That's so awkward. Mom. Mom. What's that? Do you and Dad play dress-ups with this? What is this? Fancy dress. There's a feather boa in here, Mom. What are you and Dad doing? This is some kinky shit. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's like heels and everything.
The hell? Oh, điều ra too. That's the box they take to the corner.
Well, I'm just going to put this away because
Ling,
it
ling.
smells like
Sexy jizz.
I was going to say 6 inches and I said sexy jizz.
6 inches.
I'm going to
The hell?
leave this area.
Hi guys, this is my library of books. I collect all the books, every single one. Sometimes I collect so many that I just have copies of the same one, more and more and more. And this entire library of books could be yours if the price is right.
This room is hideous. I'm not pleased with this IKEA today. It's looking a bit nannerish.
Back in my day, we used to make our own cushions out of sheep and our own back hair.
Cody Simpson is in IKEA. Cody's in.
Oh my god, guys. We are in my bedroom. This is my room. It's very pink. This is where I get makeup done every day. And this is where I sleep. I have a Justin Bieber poster on the roof, but you guys don't have to see that. This is my pink chair.
Oh gosh. Damie, I think this is your room. Damie. This is Damie's room.
Hey, that's my family.
Mommy was staring back at me. Staring back at me. Staring at me. Look, I'm telling you there's nothing in here. See, look, nothing. Exterminate. 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 It's a Dalek. It's a big M Dalek. There's a Damie. Damie, guys, Damie just got recognised at the checkout of IKEA.
Film him.
He's gone.
Where are you?
He's gone. Damie has a fan that works here. It's a pretty special moment.
Pretty special.
It's not worth dying for. You know it's true. Everything I do, I do it for you. So beautiful. Don't tell me it's not
I want to say, if we see any like people on the side of the road, can we serenade them?
yeah, I die for you.
Yeah, you in the red cut.
No, it's true. Everything I do. Do it for you.
What up, man? What up? Guys, like.
Only wanted to stay a while. Fly like a bird.
Hey Luna, are we there yet? No. Are we there yet? No. What about now? No. We're there now. No. Now.